Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you receive notifications for new videos. Now, when you feel that your abdomen is getting heavier and swollen than before, just before you start your period, then you are experiencing period bloating. Before figuring this out, I always thought that I was backsliding. I needed to put in more effort as far as fitness is concerned in getting rid of the bigger belly, but no, I realized that was anti-flow doing that to me. And in addition to mood swings, cramps, tiredness, food cravings, acne, swollen breasts, backaches, and headaches, period bloating is one of these several premenstrual syndrome symptoms. Period bloating is as a result of changes in levels of the sex hormones progesterone and estrogen. Days before your period starts, progesterone levels fall, causing the uterus to shed its lining in form of menstrual bleeding. And according to research, these hormonal changes cause the body to retain more water and salt, causing body cells to swell with water and hence the feeling of bloating. It is also believed that we experience the worst bloating on the first day of our period. Here are some of the things you can do to relieve period bloating. Number 1, make sure you drink enough water. Number 2, avoid consuming too much salt. Number 3, be sure to exercise regularly. Number 4, cut down on sugar, alcohol, and caffeine. Number 5, throw out all the carbonated beverages like soda. Number 6, eat foods rich in potassium like bananas, avocado, and spinach. Number 7, eat foods with diuretic properties like pineapples, asparagus, leeks, ginger. Number 8, cut down refined carbohydrates. Number 9, eat small portions at a time. And lastly, try out my anti-bloating tea recipe in the video cards above, which also has anti-inflammatory properties. And over to you friends, what do you do to relieve the period bloat? Let me know in the comment section below. And well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends on social media. Let's also connect on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Subscribe for more if you haven't yet and hit that bell button for notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.